You are watching a master at work.
I've been up early today to look up code I found on this car, and I've been checking on YouTube. First of all, I just want to thank everyone that is posting on YouTube, everyone that is giving us content on YouTube. You guys are amazing. You are doing excellent job, because without you, some things on the car we can't fix it. Of course, I just started doing all this maintenance on the car, try to fix it by myself. As you know, I do a lot of stuff, multitasking. I know how to fix a lot of stuff, even though some of them I have to learn it from other places, but I have the ability to do them. What I've been looking up, guys, look at it. These are the code I find on this car, and I've been checking on YouTube, writing things down to see where should I start from before I start heading to mechanic. Because most of these things you probably been able to fix it yourself, you understand. I'm not ruling out mechanics, but guys, we have ability to do things, and then that's what I'm putting to work on this job. And I've charged the battery on this car. The battery was good, but I made sure that I charged the battery. Let me show you, the battery is fully charged, and I've tested it this morning. See, this is my tester. You're gonna see that the battery is okay, no problem with the battery. I think you can see very well. And you see what my battery is giving me. My battery is giving me 12.70 volts. That means this battery is good to go, and this is not battery issue. And I just need to move to the next level on this car by deleting those codes that if I haven't deleted those codes, and then see the ones that come back on the car. And that's what I'm going to be doing right now, and from there I will take the next step. Hello guys, as you can see that when I check this code again now, there's nothing to be found on this car, because I've deleted the code, but I've wrote the codes down before I deleted it. What I'm going to be doing, I will start from the spark plug, coil pack, take them out and see what is going on in there. It could be damaged coil pack or bad spark plugs, I don't know, because the code you can see here, indicate the bottom one, the P01 indicates, P0301 indicates cylinder number 1, 304, cylinder 4, 2, like that. I'm going to go by checking all those cylinders to see what is going on in there before I start. There's no panic on this car, to be honest. I'm not panicking about this car based on how much I got it for, and then based on the code that I found on this system. Guys, let me crack on with this. The spark plug, could you believe I don't have a socket for it? I still love it. And the second thing that I removed is the Phenos actuator. This is, you can see it, this one. I don't know if you can see it very well. That's it there, right there. But I removed, based on the research that I've done, this thing can be a problem on your car, on this BMW 1 Series. I have to take this one out and test it to see if this is my problem. If it's not working, first of all is to replace it. If it works, I'll clean it a bit and put it back. Guys, doing the job, in the middle of the job I realized I need socket. I have to go to Alford straight away. Sometimes best on buying tools so that you can do your job properly. Because of this, I could not take the spark plug out. Now I'll be able to take it out now. I just need the 14 socket. Hello guys, I've started taking the spark plug out. Without tools you can't do this job. Look at it now. Because of these sockets, I was able to take the spark plug out. Guys, if you have a magnet like this, it's easy to take your spark plug out. That's it. Very easy. That's the first one. The hole looks very bad. Look at the third one. Very bad. Very bad. I'm going to be cleaning them up, put them back. Maybe they will change. They will do the better job. Guys, if you look at the liquid there, it's changing color because it's cleaning that spark plug and that actuator very well, and I hope I get a good result from these things. Guys, can you imagine? Look at the liquid, look at how dirty it is after washing this spark plug. They look pretty good right now. Look at the solenoids, and it looks clean. I hope this will change something on that car. Let me go and put them back and see what is happening right now, guys. Thank you.
Hello guys, after putting everything back together, I discovered that the tiny chain on this car need replacement. Oh guys, thank you for staying with me on this project. Let's move to the next step.